Now I remember sitting at my desk one day, and I looked in my Fixflo dashboard and I saw a job marked as completed, and I was like, hang on a minute. And it was this gully that I had to clear every single thing. Hang on a minute, no, what? It says finished, it says it's completed, and I haven't done anything. And that was the moment I was like, okay, this is it. This is the way I've got to manage property. We manage somewhere between 2,500 and 3,000 flats across 130 buildings, Oxfordshire through to Dover. We manage one of London's tallest residential tower buildings, which is really cool. And we manage some well-known buildings in Kent as well, such as a building called The Grand in Folkestone. A very diverse range of buildings, from modern high-rise property to heritage, much older building stock. I picked up on some of the workflows and efficiencies once I did a little bit of reading on what Fixflo could do, and it resonated with me. Some quite simple things like just looking, oh, look how easy I can make it for residents to report maintenance issues. That looks great. I want to do that. I liked very much the ease in which it can be bolted onto our existing website, so that we can allow residents to click through into a very straightforward repair reporting facility. And we were using an issue ticketing system where my team could add updates, so I could track workflows and keep an eye on how things were going on behalf of clients. But it wasn't scaling very well. It wasn't delivering what I knew must be possible somewhere out there. It must be possible to do what I'm thinking can be done. And I just knew that at the time, the system we were using, it couldn't do it. And something clicked that Fixflo was the one. I remember being led nice and steady through the process by the migration team at Fixflo. Them giving me the time I needed to explain my concerns and create suitable Excel spreadsheets and other systems to extract data to Fixflo, and them essentially just sorting it out for me. The Fixflo team came in to see my team, and we had a session to go through sort of a Q&A on how to use the system. It's certainly not an easy task to go through that migration process, go through that reculturing, retraining of a team. It's not an easy thing to do, but the thing is, it pays off. So it's definitely something that I don't regret doing, and in fact, I'm glad that I did it. So I gained some information that there was a gully on this particular building that if you don't clear it out, you can be assured it will cause an ingress, a water ingress problem. So my solution at the time, before Fixflo, was to put that in my calendar, wait for it to then, I'd repeat it every 6 months in my calendar, and on the day that it reminded me, I'd see it in my calendar, I'd pick up the phone to a contractor, find out when they can attend. They'd give me a selection of dates, pick up the phone to the resident, because they'd have to go through the resident's property, find out if any of those dates are suitable, and then ring the contractor back and tell him and send him an email and say he can go. I mean, there must have been countless touch points of an issue. Now, with Fixflo, all I do is I create a service event. I'll put all of the details, the phone number of who the contractor needs to call themselves, all of the step-by-step instructions, because the instructions don't change for this matter. They're the same thing every 6 months. I can even assign the contractor to the job in Fixflo, so that goes out to the contractor and they do all of the legwork for me. They log into Fixflo and book the date that it's to be done, but most importantly, they book when the job is finished, and they upload photographs and put that it's been completed. Now I remember sitting at my desk one day, and I looked in my Fixflo dashboard and I saw a job marked as completed, and I was like, hang on a minute. And it was this gully that I had to clear every single thing. Hang on a minute, no, what? It says finished, it says it's completed, and I haven't done anything. And that was the moment I was like, okay, this is it. This is the way I've got to manage property. How has the efficiencies been beneficial? It's an intangible, but it just means that we can do all of these repeating cyclical tasks in a very managed and efficient way.